That's amazing.
There she goes. Let's hear from our cousins and see what they have to say. Virginia, what do you think of this?
Oh my God. Well, I am jealous of the bird's voice because I can't sing myself, and I'm so impressed. I'm afraid of this bird, so I'm going to give it a 9.
Very nice. Man, you're having a good time over there. What do you think of our friend here?
I love her vibrato. I mean, I do. I wanted to hear her sing more and more. It was wonderful. I don't know what a 10 is. I'm going to give her a 9 just to leave a little wiggle room.
Okay, good. Thank you. Richard?
Great bird. Reminded me of Britney Spears. Didn't you think? Sings a little bit, looks good, and is pretty much naked.
Yeah.
I like that's, you expect a bird to sing, but to count, count and sing, it's an amazing combo. It's like an accountant that flies around pooping on your windshield. So I'm impressed.
Wow, that guy laughs like a retard.
Hey, you guys are very good. 28 points. Let's hear it one more time, Brad. And Rocky. Don't go anywhere. Yeah. Can you say bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hello. Okay, hello, we'll be back with more Chris Star after this.
Coming up, never mind the schools. This act wants to keep prayer on our show. Plus, a dog with a very moving performance. When we return,